Imagine feeling calm and focused, no matter what life throws at you. That's mindfulness. It's the practice of being present and aware. Mindfulness reduces stress and improves concentration. You can start today. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the tension leave your body. You can practice mindfulness anywhere. Try paying attention to your meal. Savor each bite. Notice the flavors and textures. This simple act can transform your experience. Remember, mindfulness is a daily practice. Start with just 5 minutes. Gradually increase as you feel comfortable. You'll notice a positive change over time. Ready to explore more? Check out our resources on mindfulness techniques. You can enhance your life, one breath at a time.